How to factory reset your iPhone 6s and erase all content and settings, returning it to its factory default state. Before you begin, make sure you've backed up your important photos, videos, contacts, and other data to iCloud or a computer. A factory reset permanently deletes everything stored on your iPhone. To get started, open the Settings app and tap General. Then scroll down and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. If you're using an older iOS version, you'll see Reset instead. Now tap Erase all content and settings, then choose Continue. Enter your iPhone passcode if prompted, and if Find My iPhone is enabled, you'll also need to enter your Apple account password to turn off Activation Lock. Review the confirmation message, then tap Erase iPhone to begin the factory reset. Your iPhone will restart, erase all data, and after a few minutes, it will display the Hello Setup screen, just like a brand new device. That's it. You've successfully factory reset your iPhone 6s.